Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks for joining me in this video today. You may have already seen a video on our channel where my wife gave a tour of Billingsgate Market. We saw a lot of varieties of amazing fresh seafood and fish. If you haven't already watched it, I'll leave a link in the description box so you can watch it at a later time. Well, I bought 2 salmon fish and I thought I'd share with you an experimental recipe, oven baked masala salmon. Before we get started, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our latest video. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I've already prepared the salmon by scaling and cleaning, then cutting them into portion sizes. The ingredients required for this recipe are chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, cooking oil, sunflower or vegetable oil is fine, fresh lemon, salt, paprika powder. First we are going to prepare the marinade in a bowl. I'm not going to give you an exact amount as the size of your salmon fish may vary, so you need to make the quantity of the marinade accordingly. First we're going to add some paprika powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, and squeeze a fresh lemon into the marinade mix. And then I'm going to mix the spice to make a paste-like blend. I prefer to add a little bit of water so it's easier to apply to the salmon. As you can see, the marinade is ready, and I'm going to get the salmon cuts and apply the marinade. The fish has been marinated and it's ready for us to put in the oven, but just before that I've covered the oven tray in foil and then I will pour some cooking oil onto the tray. Next I'm coating the fish in oil and laying it on the tray. It's ready to go into the oven for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know when it's cooked and ready when the salmon is flaky when you dig into it with a fork. There we have it, the oven baked masala salmon is ready. Give it a try, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Wassalamu alaikum.